Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solve Her. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to disable print screen shortcut for snipping tool in Windows 11. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solve Her. So, let's go. For this, you have to go to your settings. Now click on accessibility. Now scroll down. Now go to keyboard. Here you can see use the print screen, key open screen, capture. You have to turn off this button. So this is how you can disable print screen shortcut for snipping tool in Windows 11. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.